Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Josie Waite and I'm here at the SAP FSI Forum with Jarkko Turunen from Nordea, and we are talking about partnership collaboration. Thank you for joining me, Jarkko.
Thank you.
What are the main drivers for banks moving to partnership collaboration with third parties? Is it cost reduction or the improvement in client service and experience?
Well, first and foremost, absolutely the client satisfaction. So we see a number of opportunities to in partnering up with third parties, I mean fintechs and other kind of third parties to create better services for our customers. We see an opportunity in terms of boosting the innovation, creating new kinds of services maybe for niche markets, and then also shortening the time to market compared to the purely internal innovation.
And what issues are there to take into account?
I would say the main issues are first of all the way of working. I mean, so far banking has been working in an integrated model where the products have been built within the bank, but that's the major change now that we will work more and more with partners going forward and in an ecosystem. So the first thing is to shift our mindset to be able to work with partners. Another factor is then on compliance. There are still a number of regulations and rules and frameworks that we need to fit in the bank and in banking industry in general, and making sure that we have an efficient way of collaborating with fintechs while then ensuring that we're still compliant and following the frameworks. That's one of the key things to address.
How do you pick the right partner?
I think there are three things. First of all, the bank and the partner need to have common objectives and the willingness to work together to make something good happen for the customers. That's a fundamental thing, otherwise it's difficult to find the resources and priorities for such an initiative. Then the second thing is about scaling. I mean, we are looking into ideas that we can scale across the client base, but then that doesn't mean that everybody should be offered the same product, but it needs to make sense economically to scale the product in the right way. And then the last bit is again more on the ways of working. I mean, startups are more nimble and agile, and we as banks need to respect that, but then on the other hand, sometimes it takes a bit of time for banks to also change and do things, and sort of there needs to be a mutual understanding on the differences and ways of overcoming that.
That's great. Thank you very much, Jarkko. And thank you for watching.